Hi everyone,
Hi.
welcome to my channel. Got my partner in crime with me today again. We're going to paint eggs. We're going to paint Easter eggs.
Yeah.
She's got her little setup over there she's going to do. So, let's paint. Alright, she's going to start with green. I am going to do a pour on one of these. Got some paint, some little layer in a cup here. Can't have Easter without pink.
You got some pink?
Yeah, I got some pink.
You got some pink? Thank you.
Okay, I think that'll be enough for that little egg there. I think that'll be enough pink for that little egg. Let's pour. Oh, these little these little wooden discs. I think I got them at Michael's. Pretty cheap. So yeah, is it level here? Prop it up with something here. See what that does. All done, everybody?
Not yet. Now this is. I can go like this in a minute. There we go. Did it, everybody.
Oh, you did it.
It's green.
Supposed to be painting your egg. Oh, you're doing that. Okay. Alrighty. Alright.
Like,
That's level there. Okay. So this next one, I'll bring y'all down when we're done, get a close-up of it. This next one, I've got some black and some paint. Cherry and black cherry that I've got. No. Paint the egg. And I'm going to do a twinkle. I'm going to do a twinkle. on it. See what that makes. Paint your egg, honey, not your hand. Okay, so I've got some black I'm going to be using as the base. There we go. And I've got some cherry and black cherry that I'm going to be using the chain pull. I'm just going to dip it up here where y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to take my chain and dip a little bit of it in there. Make sure it's all covered. And then I'm going to pull it out. Just dip it in a little bit into the cherry. It's not completely full. I'm going to lay it on here. Kind of twirl it around. And then you want to pull it straight towards you. And you get this cool looking flower. I'll let y'all see what I'm doing when I get done here. There we go. It's just a little egg. I don't have much room for a chain pull on it. But you know what? I think maybe I'm going to put a pink one on there too. Yes. There we go. All right then. Put the bubbles on these. There we go. There's my eggs. Are you done with your egg?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay. Ta-da! Oh, wow! So beautiful!
Look up, buddy.
Yeah, look, everybody. We'll go in and we'll go over here and look real close. Look, everybody. Look at her egg. All right. Look at her egg, everybody. Oh, so beautiful. And here's mine. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Say bye, everybody. Hey, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. Come back and see me. Thank you. What?
You just say little bell.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Bye, everybody.